foodies, what's up? Welcome back to our channel 4 is Love. Hope you all are doing good. Before I start the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed us yet. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The link is given in the description box. And before I start the video, I want to tell you something about the recipe which I made today. So this recipe is about soya chunks biryani. So biryani comes in a number of varieties like meat biryani, veg biryani or chicken biryani. I tried this soya chunks biryani. So soya chunks is the alternative for meat for the vegetarians. So this is the vegetarian version of biryani. So it's a very healthy recipe. Do try this and share your experience. So before I start the video, I want to tell you that please wait till I tell you the amazing facts at the end of the video.
I have taken around half bowl of soya chunks and have boiled it. And then I'm taken 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, 2 bowls of basmati rice. So I have chopped them finely. And then first of all we are going to marinate the soya chunks. For that I have taken around 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt, some red chili powder. So you can add this as per your taste. And then I'm going to add some salt to it, some coriander powder, and at the end we are going to add the ginger garlic paste. Give it a nice mix and marinate it. And keep this aside for some time. Till then we will prepare the gravy. For that I have taken a pan and I'm going to heat some butter or ghee into it. You can also use oil. I have added 1 bay leaf to it, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 green cardamom, some cumin seeds, and also some black pepper. And we will add the ginger garlic paste. So you need to cook this until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes out. So give it a nice mix. And once this are cooked, we are going to add the onions. So I finally chopped them and I have added the onions. Cook the onions till they are yellow or brown. And then I have added the tomato paste. You can also add the tomato puree, or also you can chop the tomatoes finely and add them. And at the end we are going to add the slit green chili. Wait till this is cooked completely and then we'll add the dry spices. For that I have taken some salt, some coriander powder, some garam masala and some red chili powder, and this goes in the ingredients and give it a nice mix. So once these are cooked, we will add the marinated soya chunks. And mix them all. So the gravy for our biryani is almost ready. And once this is cooked, we will add the rice into it. So I have not boiled the rice, okay. I will boil this with the gravy itself so that the flavor goes into the rice. So give it a proper mix. And in this step I am going to add some mint leaves to it. So mint leaves gives a very nice flavor to biryani. Give it a nice mix and will add the water at this stage. We need to add plenty of water so that the rice is boiled completely. So as you can see, I have added so much of water into it. Now I will cook this until the rice is boiled completely, and I have kept the flame at the medium. Do not keep too fast or too slow. And at the end we'll add some coriander leaves, and we will wait till the rice is boiled completely. As you can see, the boil has come. We need to wait more because this takes time. This can take around 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient. But I'm not patient actually, because I can't wait to have this biryani. But please be patient. So our biryani is ready to be served. So I'll serve this biryani with some bundi raita and some salad. So enjoy this as your lunch or dinner meal. So this is a really very healthy and delicious recipe for all those who don't have chicken or do not want to have chicken. So this is an alternative to that. So enjoy this meal, and if you like it, please share these videos. So now it's time for some amazing facts. Soya chunks are to a vegetarian what chicken breast is to a non-vegetarian. Africa is one of the oldest rice producers after Asia.